Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to show you how to wear face pack on your face. Okay. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Now I am show you how to do this. Okay. For this we want some ingredients for that. So I am just showing you that what we want that ingredients. So we want some basin flour and we want one lemon and we want tomato and some curd and also honey. Okay, and we want some turmeric powder. Okay, now I will show you how to prepare this. So have to take one cup. We have to take 2 spoons of basin or 1 spoon of basin. How much you want, you have to take that much of basin, and take half spoon of turmeric or 1 spoon of turmeric. Okay, you just have to mix like this. Okay, and take 1 tablespoon of 1.5 tablespoon of curd, and you just have to mix like this. After that, whatever we have this tomato, you have to smash like this. Wherever it inside is there, you have to smash and pour in this. Okay, we don't want more. If you will take the more, it's not a problem. We have a lot of benefit with this tomato, and have to mix like this. Actually, I'm not enough some curd, so I'm taking more half tablespoon of curd. Okay, I'm just mixing like this, and take one lemon. So you have to just cut it up into 2 pieces. So take 1 tablespoon of lemon, and you have to just pour in this, and you have to just mix like this. With this we will not get any effect. We have a lot of benefit with tomato. So it remove a tan on a face and a dirty particles. And now have to take half tablespoon of honey. Okay, and you have to just again mix it very really. We no need to worry for this to wearing on a face pack. So you have to just mix it thoroughly. You just mix it thoroughly, and after doing this rolling, so we will get like this. With this we will not get any side effects. With the tomato we have a lot of benefits, and with the lemon we will get a lot of benefits, and with the honey our face will look very glowy and shiny and whitening. So after that, take one brush or a clean hand, you have to apply on your face like this. Okay, with this we have a lot of benefits, and you will not need to worry with any side effects. Will not get any side effects. You have to apply like this on your face. With the turmeric also will get glowing skin, and with the tomato it's get moisturized. And we don't need to mix a water in this. You have to, if you want to mix anything, you have to just again you can mix the you are mixing the curd, right? So if you want, you can mix the milk also. It's no problem. Okay, with the mixing the milk also will get the benefit with this. You have to just do like this on your face completely and smoothly. So you not have any problem with this. You have a lot of benefits. Without giving the gap, you have to spread it on your face completely. Okay, So already I am completed this doing. So after applying this, you have to just wait up to 10 to 20 minutes, okay, or 10 to 15 minutes will get up to dried. So after getting dry, you have to just wash it, okay. So after completing this, you have to just wash your hand and clean with the cotton. Wash your hand and you have to gently tie with the towel, okay. So we will not have any effect from this. Have a lot of benefit with the tomato, lemon, honey and a curd and a basin. So you don't need to worry. So you have to just do it weekly, twice, 2 times or 3 times. Weekly you have to do just 2 or 3 times, and we have to applying this face pack. You have to just wait 10 to 15 minutes. After that you can wash it, okay. After washing my hand using this fake pad, how shining my hand and how glowing and how whitening. So after completing this video, you have to just subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.